Other flight attendants on board will do everything we can to give you a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable flight today. As I mentioned, our scheduled flight time to Laguardia is 2 hours and 12 minutes. Before we depart, we do ask that you direct your attention to the flight attendants for a brief demonstration of the safety features of this MD88 aircraft. Your seatbelt must be securely fastened at this time. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle. Tighten by pulling on the strap so that it is low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking is not allowed on any Delta flights. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a resting smoke detector. This aircraft has 3 doors, 2 forward, 1 on each side, and 1 in the back, 4 window exits over the wings, and an additional exit at the back. Each door is equipped with a detachable slide that can be used for flotation. Once again, this aircraft has 3 doors, 2 forward, 1 on each side, and 1 in the back, 4 window exits over the wings, and an additional exit at the back. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. In an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisles, which will guide you to. Please locate the exits nearest you, keeping in mind they may be behind you. If there's a loss of cabin pressure, the panel above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Secure your own mask first before helping others. Seat cushions may be used for flotation. Pull up and remove the bottom of the cushion. Upon exiting the aircraft, hold the cushion to your chest with the straps facing away. Put your arms through the straps and hold your wrists. Before we take off, we do ask that you bring your seat back to the upright position. Tray tables and carrying items should be stowed and aisle armrests are lowered. Finally, please take a moment to review the safety information card on your seat back pocket. On this, you will also see that this aircraft does have life vests located under or between your seats. In addition, seat cushions. As we complete our final safety checks, please let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a very safe and enjoyable flight. In just a moment, ladies and gentlemen, we will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. You can find your reading light, your air vent, and your flight attendant call button located in the panel above you.